Hello everybody, welcome to betteryourhunt.com. Today is part 2 of 4 in how to use the portal, and today we're going to be looking at our zone filter and the tags. So in order to go to the zone filter from the home page, you can either click on zone filter from the sidebar menu. What I like to do is use the quick drop down menu and click on zone filter. This is going to open up the zone filter. Once the map loads, we'll be able to see the map along with the different filter options available. It's going to default to deer, so we're actually going to see the map of deer on the California. We can change this by going to elk, pronghorn, or sheep. For this instance, I'm going to keep it as deer just because it covers the entire state. We can filter then by method. So let's say I'm looking at a general tag, and I want to do premium because I'm looking for something with a draw. We want a buck tag. Most of the tags in California are buck tags. Now I can also filter down. Let's say I want it at least, we'll go 40% public land, and we want a decent success rate. So we'll go 20% on the success rate, or yeah, 20%, roughly 20%. We're going to click filter, and it's going to filter our map down. And now we see these are the zones that have tags in them that fit these criteria on the filter. So now let's say, okay, it looks like a X12 looks like a pretty good tag. It's close to Nevada. It looks like it's, let's find out about that. So I can actually hover over X12 and click on it, and it's going to instantly open up the X12 zone. In here I can see that my public land is approximately 86%. The size of the zone, the elevation. It's going to give me information about an overview, terrain, vegetation, access, mule deer, and some of these will populate depending on what information is available about the zone, what kind of animals that you're going to be harvesting in that particular zone, and what tags are available. Down here we can see how many tags are in X12. We're looking at the X12 tag because that's the one that we clicked on, zone X12, and we can take a look at the success rate. Over here, the success chart, which is, we'll compare the last 5 years to how it's doing today. As you can see, it's kind of had a little bit of a bumpy ride. Down here, we can also take a look at the 4 and 4+ point deer that have been harvested. Looks like the numbers are down in X12. However, the success rate is at 51%, so that is a pretty good success rate. As you notice here, it has gone up from 2016-2017 season. We can also take a look at the details as far as like rifle season, what the dates are for that. We can take a look at the bear when bear rifle season opens, which happens to be the same day that deer rifle season opens, which is a positive. We can take a look at the number of tags, 2-point deer, 3-point deer, 4-point deer, and 5+ point deer taken. We can also compare this year's stats to last year's stats. For instance, we're taking a look at the stats here, where the 2-point deer, 3-point deer, and 4-point deer have dropped, but the guesstimate success rate from the Department of Fish and Game is actually in the positive, which probably means that there were not a lot of tags reported. So this is what they take and guess is going to be the success rate. We can also take a look down here and see the draw odds for this. We can see, okay, so it looks like we probably need at least 7 points in order to guarantee a draw out of this tag. 6 points we can do, looks like we have a decent shot, not super high, but it's still a shot. And then 5 and below is 1%, so we're trying to pick up that random. You'll notice sometimes that there may be one, maybe multiple different tags in this zone, and that is because you can have different periods of tags. You can have apprentice tags that are in the zone. You can also have different types like archery, muzzleloader, and rifle. So just because you click on a zone and you filtered it down by a certain method of take doesn't necessarily mean that that's the only tag that's going to show. When you're in the zone, it's going to show all the tags that are available in case you happen to want to hunt on a different tag. So that is another cool feature, that it does show all the different options while you're in the zone, so you're not just seeing one, and you can see multiple. As a premium user, I'm able to use this zone filter unrestricted. If you are not a premium user of the portal, you will only be able to use 3 different zones per day, and it will reset at midnight. So in order to actually get the full access, you will need to upgrade, or else you can do 3 every day. Right, that's going to wrap up part 2 of 4 for how to use the portal, the zone filter, and tags. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@betteryourhunt.com. Otherwise, head on out to betteryourhunt.com, sign up for the portal to get access to all of this information. Have a good one, guys.